If you're one of the many thousands of people who are looking for a new job during this recession, you may want to consider becoming a court reporter. Not only do their careers have great potential for advancement, pay rises and flexibility, there's also the short time that it takes to become a court reporter, along with the different types of court reporters. The possibilities are endless if you have the drive and desire to get into this great profession. There are two types of court reporters: an official court reporter and a freelance court reporter. The official court reporter usually works in a state or federal courtroom and may even stay with the same courthouse for their entire career if they have the correct recommendations and requests for their services. These court reporters are classified as state or government employees, which entitles them to health benefits and a pension or retirement plan that can sustain them through their retirement years. Court reporters enjoy a nice salary that can range anywhere from $40,000 to $60,000 in the middle of their career. There's no limit to the possible pay rises that a court reporter can get if they continue their education and have different certifications to offer different courts. As with any professional career, the more education one has and the more credentials one can claim, the more money one can earn. Usually these court reporters begin working at 8 or 9 in the morning and leave at 4 or 5 in the afternoon. However, if they're on a trial that may last a bit longer, then they're going to be expected to stay, and they stay as long as the trial lasts for that day. The other type of court reporter is the freelance court reporter, who is not employed directly by the court system but can negotiate with various courts or other businesses for their services. This type of court reporter is typically thought of as an independent contractor with the courts or the businesses and is self-employed. They pay their own taxes, save for their own retirement, and buy their own health and life insurances with their own money. They can travel as far as their specific job needs to take them, be it throughout the state or throughout the country if they're that much in demand. They can be contracted to various groups besides a courtroom, like working with deaf people and providing a translation for them in a school setting, or work for a large corporation, making certain that all their board meetings and other important meetings are recorded for future use. In their first year of work, freelancers can make up to $50,000 if they work hard enough. The pay scale for freelancers is solely at the discretion of the freelancer because they create their own contracts. Regardless of what type of court reporter one chooses to be, they must have a typing speed of 225 words per minute on the stenograph. This is not the typical computer. It only has 22 keys for typing the shorthand techniques for words. It takes practice and time, but it can be done, and that can lead to a lucrative career for you as a court reporter. Please visit us at courtreportersalary.data.com for more information on court reporting salaries and the training needed to get started in this exciting and lucrative career field.